Confused by car troubles? The right diagnostic tool turns complexity into clarity. In the ThinkSCAN ecosystem, two tools stand out. The professional ThinkSCAN 689 BT tablet and the AI-powered MUCAR B200 Max dongle. Your choice depends on your needs. The ThinkSCAN 689 BT is an all-in-one professional powerhouse, built into a rugged tablet. It's for the workshop that demands top-tier capability. The MUCAR BT200 Max is sleek and smart. It pairs with your own device, bringing an AI assistant into your pocket. It's for the tech-savvy DIYer or modern technician. For the pro, the 689 BT delivers depth. Run full system diagnostics across engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. Perform true bidirectional control to test components live. It goes further with advanced ECU coding and over 34 service resets from steering angle to oil maintenance, eliminating dealer-only dependencies. The BT200 Max brings intelligence to diagnostics. The built-in AI assistant will guide you. Describe a symptom, and it analyzes data to pinpoint likely causes. Don't let its size fool you. It handles advanced diagnostics, bidirectional tests, and key resets. Features like Smart Sleep protect your car's battery. Both share ThinkSCAN's commitment to value. They cover 120+ brands, support latest protocols like CAN-FD, and crucially, come with lifetime free updates. No hidden fees, just continuous enhancement. So, whether you're equipping your professional shop with the unparalleled capability of the ThinkSCAN 689 BT, or empowering your DIY projects with the intelligent, affordable MUCAR BT200 Max, you're choosing tools designed to deliver long-term value and precision. Stop guessing. Start diagnosing with confidence.